Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like us to look at general solution for trigonometric equations. Now, a general solution in the first place is a solution in which the range has not been specified. That's why I usually write it in terms of n. And I would like us to look at it with the various forms: the general solution for sine, the general solution for cos, and that for tan. Now, firstly, let's look at that for sine. The general solution for sine. We have that the angle theta is n pi plus -1 to the power n alpha, where this alpha is the principal angle, or theta is 180 degrees n plus -1 to the power n alpha. If the angle is given in degrees, this angle is our principal angle. Now, to illustrate this, I would like us to use this example. For example, it says sine theta is equal to half. Find the general solution. Using this, our theta, our alpha, is simply sine inverse of half. So the general solution will be theta is n pi plus -1 to the power n sine inverse of half. And sine inverse of half here, we know is 30 degrees, but in terms of pi, so we have n pi plus -1 to the power n. We have 30 degrees is pi over 6. So that's our general solution. You see that it is in terms of n. We are taking values of n. From this general solution, once you know it, we can generate particular solutions. If you are asked to solve in a range, you will start with n equal to 1 here. You have one solution, n equal to, you progress. Now, let's proceed with the general solution for cosine. For cos, that's the cosine function. What is that general solution in terms of n for cosine? For cosine, we have theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, or in terms of pi radians, or 360 degrees n plus or minus alpha, where alpha there is the principal angle. Alpha being the principal angle, it means if you are given a equation of this nature, cos theta is equal to √3/2, for example, we go straight, our theta will be 360 degrees plus or minus cos inverse of what? Of this √3/2. Cos inverse of √3/2, which will give us 360 degrees plus, what's cos inverse of √3/2 is 30 degrees. We have that. Here, this is n there showing that it's general. Now, if we were asked that, if we were told that it has a particular solution, we'll be substituting the value of n in the given range. For example, if we say n is equal to 1, you have two rows. You have either plus or minus. You have 360 degrees plus, provided depending on the range. If it's 360 degrees minus, you have it. Then finally, we equally have the general solution. Apart from writing, before I forget, apart from asking us this general solution in this form, what if you are asked that cos 3 theta is equal to -half? How do you obtain the general solution? Cos 3 theta is equal to -half. Okay. This implies you will say 3 theta will be 360 degrees n, because this one now is our angle, 3 theta, a multiple angle, plus or minus cos inverse. Remember, when we say cos, for us to have the angle, we look for the inverse, the trig inverse. Cos inverse of negative half, which will give us 3 theta 360 degrees n plus or minus. Cos inverse of negative half is negative, will give us 60 degrees here. Okay, we're going to have 60 degrees because we have plus minus here. And what then will be our theta? We divide here by 3, divide here by 3, divide here by 3. To have theta as 120 degrees n plus or minus 20 degrees. That, in that sense, will be what we call the general solution. Okay, let's have a look at the third case, which is for tangent. I want us to look at all the cases for general solution. We have tangent. So, like if you have tan theta, for example, equal to t, the trig ratio t, how do you obtain the general solution? Theta will simply be n pi plus alpha, alpha being the principal angle. So if you are asked, for example, to obtain the trig ratio for the general solution for tan theta is equal to 1, it will simply be n pi plus tan inverse of 1, okay, which will give us pi over 4. That will be the general solution. All this, where n, all this n goes with 0, right? When you have this, you see that n starts with 0, 1, 2, progressively. The same thing here, n here is starting from 0, okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, continuous. N here, likewise, n here starts from 0, 1, 2, it continues in all of this. So when you are talking about all these trig ratios here, for example, when you talk about that for sine, we are giving a situation where, if you have a situation whereby, let's say you have sine theta is equal to a, where a is a ratio. In this case, the second case, we have a situation, for example, cos theta is equal to b, where b is a ratio. That is what we do about general solution. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share, so as to be updated for next videos.